Meaning of foyer.
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 Foyer. A foyer is a space or area at the entrance of a building, typically a large house or public building, that serves as a reception area for guests. A foyer may contain furniture and decorative pieces to create a welcoming atmosphere, and it often leads to other parts of the building such as a living room or hallway. It is a transitional space between the outside world and the interior of a building, and it sets the tone for the rest of the environment. In short, a foyer is a functional and aesthetically pleasing area designed to welcome visitors into a building.